What's up everybody, it's me Sergio, I'm with Mobility Direct. Welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to compare two of our top selling folding mobility scooters of 2025, the Pride Mobility GoGo Super Portable and the Golden Technologies Buzzaround carry-on known as model GB120, our top seller for the last 3 years. The Super Portable GoGo just came out in December of 2024. So we're excited to test them both out and tell you what we think about them. Now, before we get started, like always, I need to tell you about our free product catalog. It's got discount codes, our latest products, and more. If you want a copy, go to our website, mobilitydirect.com. Click on the green button at the top of every page that says free catalog. Fill out the simple short form that you're seeing on the screen now, and you'll get one in the mail within 1 to 2 weeks tops. You can also just call the number below, speak with our friendly non-commissioned sales experts, and they'll process a catalog request for you by phone. Just give them your address. It's that simple. All right, so let's go ahead and dive right into things. In today's video, we're gonna start off by doing a grass test and an incline test. We have other videos if you wanna see unboxing, in-depth review videos of each one. We'll put the links in the description. First, what we're gonna do is we're gonna test these out on grass. Now, I will tell you that the ground clearance is very comparable. On the GB120, it's 4 inches. On the Super Portable, it's just slightly under that. We're gonna test this out with a luscious 220-pound body on top of this 300-pound max capacity scooter just to see how it does on the grass for a bit. Okay, these aren't meant to go off-road full time, but it's nice to test it out to know that, hey, if I need to go on grass, it's gonna perform. And I gotta tell you, it's actually performing really well. Not really hesitating or feeling like it's struggling to move in this grass, which is not really compact. It's very soft, wet grass at the bottom of a ditch. So I am impressed with its performance on grass, okay? Now let's test out the GB120. All right, now again, I'm about 220, maybe 210, depending on the time of year. The lighter you are, the better it will perform on rough terrain. So here's the GB120. There's a little bit more space underneath the floor and the bottom of the scooter. It's a 4-inch clearance underneath there. It's about a 3 3/4 on the GoGo Super Portable, but I can't really tell the difference. I'm going around the grass here without really feeling any type of struggle from the GB120 either. All right, so let's go ahead and, since I'm already on this scooter, I'm gonna go straight up this hill. It's got a pretty nice incline to it, nothing crazy. It's not Mount Everest, but I'm gonna get a little momentum here and see if this GB120 can make it up the hill. Okay, so it stopped. It's really soft grass. I'm gonna see if I could redo that in a different spot where the grass is a little more compact and get a little more momentum to see. All right, folks, so we're gonna do a little hill test. Now, keep in mind, both of these scooters are not meant for off-road. They're lightweight, travel-friendly scooters. I don't recommend doing this, but we're just gonna see. Maybe one's more powerful than the other when it comes to going up a quick hill. By the way, I do want to tell you about our giveaway. We give away scooters all the time to random people that subscribe to our YouTube channel and leave a comment on any video. So if you have a question, put it in the comment section below, hit the subscribe button, and you too could be the next lucky winner of a mobility scooter like the last few winners that you're seeing on the screen now. They were randomly selected as a subscriber. They left a comment. We randomly replied to their comment and we told them that they were a winner. So what are you waiting for? You're already here, it's free. Hit the subscribe button, leave a comment. If you have any questions, we'll reply to your questions in the comment section within 1 business day. So I'm gonna take this GB120 up this hill. I doubt it's gonna make it, but let's see. All right, so it didn't make it, not even like a foot up the hill. Now keep in mind, right? If you remove the weight of my 200-pound self, and it's not really like soft grass, let's say you're going up a ramp that's made out of concrete, it will do it. But this is just really rough grass. It's not well maintained. So let's try the same route with the GoGo Super Portable. All right, this is, by the way, this is unscripted. We're not really editing much here. I'm just showing you what it's made out of. Okay, here we go, look at that. Okay, so it actually made it further, but it did get caught in that grass. I don't know though, it felt like it was going a little bit further up that hill. And if I were to get a little bit more momentum, I'm willing to bet it might actually make it. Let's see, GoGo Super Portable, take 2, up the hill. Wow, okay. Okay. I am impressed. What did I tell you, Chuck? I told you I thought the Super Portable felt a little more powerful on the grass, and well, that proves it. I'm actually very, very surprised. Good job, Pride Mobility. The Super Portable has some oomph. It can go up these hills that are not well maintained at all. So I could tell you straight up, the power and the incline, climbing ability of the GoGo Super Portable compared to the GB120 definitely feels like it's night and day. And I'm just gonna do another pass here so you know I'm not like just running into a little sandy pit. I'll go up a different part. So the wheels really weren't getting stuck. What it is that this thing doesn't really have the momentum. Now I'm going up the exact same path. I could see the tire marks, and it's stopping. It's not going. And I don't wanna trip the breaker because it will shut itself off if it starts to notice it's overheating. But honestly, folks, I hate to say it, but the GoGo Super Portable is definitely going to have more power, more climbing ability than the GB120. So if it's something that you're looking for, if you want something a little more versatile, more powerful for going up those steep ramps when you're going up a cruise, the gangway sometimes has steep ramps. Whether you're getting into a place that has a ramp that's a little bit more of a steep incline than most ramps, I'd say you'd have to go with the GoGo Super Portable. All right, folks, well, we did it. We tested both of these models on grass and on an incline, and as you can see, the GoGo Super Portable is gonna be the more powerful of the two. Now, we do have an in-depth comparison between these two models. We talk about the pros and the cons on the comfort adjustment features, the specifications, the warranty, everything. In this video, we're just trying to see which one's a little bit more powerful, and I would say that the GoGo Super Portable wins when it comes to power and incline ability. With that being said, folks, we are going to do a lot of new videos with these two models because they are our top selling scooters right now. So I encourage you to subscribe to our channel. That way you get notified when we release new videos just like this one. Again, I'm Sergio with Mobility Direct. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Until next time, have a great day.